what's up? It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, yes, baby, we are on the road to success. Today I am presenting you with Download Dollars, where this 13-year-old has created this amazing platform in which you can just download these apps and make money. So starting off point of these apps, and when it comes down to you making money, you can like make $30 every time you download an app. They have different like variables when it comes down to you like making money. Some apps may be like $30, some apps may be $40, some apps I've seen go up all the way to $75. So that is dope. So if you're interested in Download Dollars and what it got to offer, make sure you stay into the end because I will be giving away 60 plus different free bonuses that can help you make more money online. Like, what's up? What's up? You trying to make more money online? Yes, I will help you. It's your girl. Like, I'm here to help. So if you're interested, make sure you stay to the end so you will not miss a thing. Let's get into Download Dollars. So what's up, guys? We are now on my bonus page. I'm going to give you like a little overview of what Download Dollars has to offer. Don't forget, this is an amazing like loophole that this 13-year-old found and created to help you make money online super duper easy and effortlessly. So expose this sneaky Google app income loophole. That's what's up. Take only 3 minutes to download an app and get paid. So guys, my bonuses at a limited time offer. It's only 5 days left until you can be able to receive my bonuses. So if you come on my page and you don't see any of these numbers, so that's letting you know that they're not available. Okay, so yeah. All right, so what Download Dollars has to offer: get paid real cash just by downloading apps. You heard that right. With Download Dollars, all you have to do is download apps and you can start raking in cash. This software does all the work for you. Find the best paid apps out here and will get you all of the profits. Continuously earn $35 every time you download an app. Earn as high as $395 per sale. Like I told you, only seen one that was like $75. I didn't see the $395, but yeah, that sounds low too. But okay, through our deep funnel conversion, try and test high conversions, proven methodology for our customers to make this much money, guys. All right, this is Download Dollars and what it has to offer. I'm about to go into the inside, so I won't be wasting your time. All right, so we're actually like in a tutorial guide, but I'm about to go right straight home so we can go to the dashboard. Okay, so we just loading right now. That's weird. Why did it go to this side? I'm about to say, I'm like, why did the navigational bars go to the other side, guys? So everything you need to know is on the left hand side. So you have home, you have settings, you got platforms, you got offer, you got the vendor bonuses in which they have given you absolutely free, and then you have the upgrades. So I'll go over the upgrades when I go back over to my bonus page. So guys, I already downloaded one of these apps. Okay, so when you download these apps, you gotta play it a little bit. So that's how you're gonna earn your money. So it says complete Foothill 3 and earn. So I already completed like half of it. I didn't finish all of it. It was super duper easy, straightforward. It was like a matching game. So when it comes down to you downloading the stuff, you have to play it. So that's how you're gonna earn your money. It's not just download it and boom, 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 you get that money. But you gotta play. You gotta play. You gotta be participant in the thing that you downloaded. So you have 5 platforms offer active, and you have 200 offers available. You have 167 offers releasing soon. So they telling you to come back every day because this is going to be upgraded, right? So some of the stuff, this was released 1 day ago, 1 day ago released also. This one was released 3 weeks ago from today. So they are consistently upgrading the apps in which you can make money. So guys, I see some for $40, $15, $25, $150, $40, $60, $20. We got one for $100. We got one for $70. We got one for $250, $200, $20, $35, $10. and released 2 months ago from now. Okay, these are previously released it. So you can still go down this because why not? Why not? They waiting for you to download and play. So when you download it, it's gonna tell you what level you got to complete, and then you get your money. Okay. So you got the settings right here. I'm just waiting for this to load real fast. And then it's just your account settings. Ain't nothing really special. You create your own email. Well, you put your email in there, and then you create your own password. All right, this is your manage your affiliate programs here. So this is another way you are going to be able to make money. And when it comes down to this strategy, you're going to be taught when it comes down to you getting those tutorials. Those tutorials are going to teach you how to manage everything inside this software. So I am on the offers. This were the offers that I just recently went over. So I'm about to go to the bonuses. Okay, so day bonuses are dope too, but not as dope as mine. Don't forget, my bonuses are at a limited time offer, and ain't nobody got my bonuses. My bonuses is only exclusive from your girl Key. So right here, this is their bonuses. You got 1,400 jump start, then you got 0 to 500 a day in 30 days. Then you got 486 a day set for get blogging system. You have 30-day list explosive income. Then you have 60-second funnel profit mastery. Then you have the mystery bonuses, and then you have the upgrades and OTOs, in which I will go over more in detail when I go to my bonus page. And then you have these websites. Okay, all these websites, you will be trained how to use all these websites when it comes down to these video tutorials, guys. These video tutorials is super duper straightforward. You only have to, and it's not going to take up a lot of your time. Let's let these load so I can give you the exact time these tutorials are running for. Okay. Yeah, just let it load a second so I can just give you a brief example of how long these videos. So this one is 3 minutes, and the other one is, let's let it load, 48 seconds. Okay, so very, very, very short tutorials, so guys, which is going to help you operate this download dollar software to the max. Okay, and then you have these websites, and you can create your website, add in your affiliate link in which they have offers in there, and that's another way in which you can make money with download dollars, guys. So this is all download dollars has to offer. I'm about to go back into my bonus page so we can get into my bonuses. Hold up, wait a second. Let me put some refresher in it. Okay, there we go. I'm like, my bonus page is popping. My bonus page on it popping. I don't know what they're talking about. But yes, let's wait until this load, because I do have a lot of stuff already in my search bar. I got a lot of tabs open. Maybe that's why it's acting slow. But let's go dive in deep and right into my bonuses. So if you want to watch the demo video, you totally can. All you gotta do is click that link in my comments, and I'm gonna have it in my description, in which you can come over and watch this download dollars in action so you can see exactly how it works. So bonus number 1, this is the VIP bonus, baby. Very important persons, people who is looking to change their life for the better. You are going to be receiving 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques, traffic softwares, email swipes, everything to help you grow your online business to success. A lot of training by Jonah Armstrong, Brendan Mace, and more of the top vendors in the game right now, including myself. And then we have bonus number 2, how to write headlines that sell. Okay, get how to write headlines that sell to make sure you are getting your audience attention. Then we have bonus number 3, get this high ticket converting like mastermind. This is how you're gonna learn how to like convert those $1,000 offers into commissions like immediately with my training when it comes down to using Google Docs to list full full potential, okay? And we have bonus number 4. This is access to timeless traffic. This is from my boy Jono Armstrong, in which he pitched in to help me create these bonuses today. Well, just that's one. And then we have bonus number 5. This is all the vendor bonuses in which I went over in the members area. Don't forget, if you forgot, you can totally rewind and watch those bonuses in which they had to offer. Those bonuses were super dope, awesome. If you want to pick up my bonuses and the vendor bonuses and just this package deal in general, make sure you come down to my comments in my description, in which I will have my link to my bonus page. All you gotta do is click any of these peachy cute buttons and receive your copy. Don't forget, this is a limited time offer, only 5 days left. If you want to connect with your girl on any social medias, I have YouTube, I have TikTok, and I have Facebook, guys. These are all hyperlinks, so all you gotta do is click them, and you can follow me on all my social medias to get more updates on new upcoming IT and cloud-based softwares that's gonna help you make money online. Let's go over the upsells and downsells on what this has to offer. So the front end price, they are giving you a discount with $2 off at $17. And then we have upsell number 1. This is the unlimited package. I literally recommend you get the upsell number 1 to get the unlimited package commercial license, remove all the unlimiteds in the front end price, unlock additional features to dominate, download unlimited apps, supercharge results up to 10 times max, and then you got the pro video training, and then you're going to be receiving 24-hour support. And this is just for the first upsell for $37. They're giving you a $10 discount. And then you have upsell number 2, done for you. This is the upgrade that unlocks the done for you features in the software. So in which you will be getting the done for you sites created for you to click and add your affiliate links into the sites and get more commissions. Remember, I went over that in the members area on site. You see all those websites. All right, and then we have a bonus number 3. This is cash back. So upgrade and exploit more ways to instantly get your money's worth. And then you have upsell number 4, income multiplier, baby. And then this is including the plug and play, our proven high ticket campaign to your download dollars. You got the done for you bonuses to boost your sales and funnel, done for you high converting funnel sales. You have the in-depth video tutorials and automated setbacks, and enjoy everything that it has to offer. Then you got upsell number 5. This is the traffic boosters, in which I already have bonuses that help you when it comes down to traffic. And then you have upsell number 6. This is the reseller's license. Upsell number 7. This is the passive income master class. So this upgrade equips members with the skills to generate passive hands-free income through our specific selection multiple streams of income master classes. And then we have upsell number 8, multiple streams of income master class, and you have the upsell and downsell of both of those. So here are some more key benefits you may be interested in getting when it comes down to you purchasing this download dollars. So get paid $35 every time you download an app. So guys, it's not just $35, it's more. It's it varies to this game. Whichever app you are getting, it could be $10, $13, $100, $300, $250, $70, $40. So it's not just $35, and it's no way to get paid instantly. So right here, no way to get paid instantly. Don't forget, you have to play that game to get that money. When I downloaded that Dragons app, they say complete level 3 and then you get your money. So that's how it's going to be. And then it says only take a few minutes per day, which is a fact. That game was super duper easy, and it works anywhere with internet connection. So you can do this on your phone, and we're making $12,000 per month without failing this. You got 96% success rate with our own 309 beta testers. Impossible to get saturated. No upfront fees required, guys. And this is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right. How are you feeling about download dollars? I know I'm feeling it, guys. If you want my bonuses and download dollars, don't forget my bonuses will be coming down on February 24th. 4th. So baby, if you want to receive this easy commission, this easy money, just click that link in my description or in my comments, in which you can be able to pick up my bonuses and download dollars to help you make another stream of income when it comes down to you making money online. This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Don't forget, baby, we are on the road to success. See you in my next review video.